We're going to take a look at some of the ammunition or bullets that Ninja might use. Now, of course, Ninja throwing stars are their first choice, and any Ninja can use those, but there are some other options that modern Ninjas are using, and we'll go over some of those. Of course, some of these are so top secret that they won't be shown in the video, and this is one of the examples, the elusive frozen bullet made out of ice, and of course, all Ninjas will deny that we use these, but there you go, ice bullet right there. So, of course, a lot of people hear about those on movies and things, so we'll get over some of the stuff that people are familiar with. We also just use regular hand grenades, Ninja throwing stars, the M16 round, the 5.56 by 45, and then next to it we have the 7.62 by 39, the AK-47 round. And you can see it's quite obvious that the AK-47 has a much larger bullet, more effective bullet than the much smaller M16 round. Ninja throwing stars, because of their effectiveness. They may also use something like the 50 caliber BMG. You can see it's much larger than the AK-47 round. Sometimes they're going to need to use a Ninja trick with regular ammunition, and that's no problem for a Ninja. For example, we can just take some regular ammunition like these, and using Ninja skills that are passed down throughout the age, we're able to arrange that regular ammunition into a thing for stopping vehicles. Aside from using Ninja stars, we're also going to carry around ammunition like this one, which is obviously just a regular piece of ammunition, but if necessary, it's also a blade. Another piece of ammunition we'll sometimes need something like this. If we need to unscrew the hinges on a door, perhaps across the room. This one, which is a unique round in that it has 2 hollow points and a small nuclear charge behind them, and this way we're able to deliver twice the amount of firepower with the nuclear charge. This one has a tire gauge in it, because it's always good to save on gas mileage. This one is a pen, pencil, same situation, maybe do a lottery ticket across the room, eraser, even though Ninjas don't make mistakes. Another round that's top secret is one that we use here that looks like it's a regular round, but it's charged in such a way that there's about 700 yards of this tungsten chain, and this way we can shoot it up over the ledge, maybe across the street, and then climb across. Very expensive rounds. This one is a hypodermic needle, in case we need to deliver a poison or something to the target. A lot of times we'll use Ninja throwing stars. If we're shooting another Ninja, we'll want to use so that they don't see it coming across the sky. So, silver bullets, werewolves, vampires, etc. This is a unique Ninja one. We give it 2 shoulders because for speed, and also its length. This is another unique Ninja round, and you can see that it has a unique bulge here. It's actually a typical 223, exactly the same round that the United States uses in their M16s. So what Ninjas have done is added this bulge so that it could also be used in a .308 or even a .50 caliber. Notice the larger bullet than your typical AR-15. So you can see it's going to give much better ballistics. Silent Ninja Star. And we've developed this round, which then goes down the barrel of the firearm and removes any rifling. That basically leaves no trace because we're Ninjas. However, sometimes we need to frame someone or leave some evidence behind. So we've created these CSI bullets, and you can see they've still got their rifling intact and their primers. We leave these behind as evidence. Here's an example of a rifle, and then of course a shotgun. Sometimes use Ninja throwing stars. So that's some of the ammunition Ninjas will use.
The guys and gals at gunwebsites.com encourage you to remember that zombies are not toys. Use your brain. Don't feed it to a zombie.